Hey, hello everybody. Today is September 27th, 2021. Um, we are 4 days from October. Friday will be October 1st. Craziness. Okay. All right. Today we are moving on to page 204 in our The Hunt for Lincoln's Killer. Okay, page 204. You guys will have a do now of the word attempt. Okay, when a person attempts to ride a bike for the first time, he or she might fill blank. Okay, so we got attempt. Hang tight just a second. Okay. All right, so we got that. All right, moving forward. So we've got some vocabulary to work on. Okay, so the first one is the word memorable. Okay, memorable, believed to be valued maybe or worth remembering. Okay, so it's if you've had a memory in your life and it's a memorable moment, you remember it, right? So let's see. Believed to be important or significant or worth remembering. Okay, so important, significant, or worth remembering. Okay, what is one memorable event from your life? One memorable event in my life was when I blank. Okay, you guys will fill that in. Okay, okay, we got the word sorrow. Okay, a feeling of sadness would be my guess. Yep. Okay, a feeling of sadness. When might a person feel sorrow? A person might feel sorrow when a close friend blank. Okay, all right, so this is what you will turn in today, page 204 with the vocab. Okay, so page 204 will be your assignment for today. All right, so born into slavery. Elizabeth Keckley bought her freedom and started a dressmaking business in Washington, D.C. She became Mary Todd Lincoln's personal dressmaker and close friend. In her memoir, Keckley shares her memories of President Lincoln's assassination, which happened just days after the Civil War ended. Okay, so a memoir is a book or writing of memories, right? Okay, during my residence in the capital, I made my home with Mr. and Mrs. Walker Lewis. They were people of my own race and friends in the truest sense of the word. On Friday morning, April 14th, I saw Mrs. Lincoln for a moment. She told me that she was to attend the theater that night with the president. Oh, memorable day! Oh, memorable night! Never before was joy so violently contrasted with sorrow. At 11 o'clock that night I was awakened by an old friend and neighbor, Miss M. Brown. She reported the startling news that the entire cabinet had been assassinated, and Mr. Lincoln shot, but not killed. When I heard the words, I felt as if the blood had been frozen in my veins, and that my lungs would collapse. Mr. Lincoln shot? The cabinet assassinated? What could it mean? Outside the streets were alive with wondering, awe-stricken people. Rumors flew thick and fast. I waked Mr. and Mrs. Lewis and told them that the president had been shot and that I must go to the White House. They tried to quiet me, but gentle words could not calm the wild tempest. They quickly dressed themselves, and we went out into the street to drift with the excited crowd. Okay, all right, so that's the beginning. There will be some more to focus on tomorrow. Okay, so once again, this lady was born into slavery. Elizabeth Keckley bought her freedom and started a dressmaking business in Washington, D.C. She became Mary Todd Lincoln's personal dressmaker and close friend. So once again, she was in slavery. She was born into slavery, but bought her way out of it. Keckley shared her memories of President Lincoln's assassination. All right. Okay, so let's make sure you get the vocab for page 204 turned in. Do now, and let's make sure we get some independent reading and student application in. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.